Myself, I am Mohit Maheshwari and I belong from Siliguri, West Bengal. Initially, I started with the dairy farm. Due help of Chadha sales, I am getting into processing of milk. It's been more than 9 years. I was not from this background and I was wondering कि जो आप सोचते हो तो आपके सामने कुछ कहानी हाथ से आ जाती है. तो वैसे ही चड्ढा सिल्स की एड मेरे सामने आई और उसमें आई फाउंड कि कुछ यहाँ पर है जो मेरे को आई कुड लर्न फ्रॉम दिस थिंग. So I got connected with Chadha Sales at that point of time, and it was in the year I think 2020-21. It has blossomed up very good with Chadha Sales. I could say that Amajit sir is really a mentor who could lead me in my journey of this dairy. To be honest, I was really blank what milk is all about. After joining Chadha Sales, I can say that I could stand up processing milk, and that too also with quality products of dairy, just because with the help of Chadha Sales it is possible. Profit was a challenging part initially, and gradually with the help of Chadha Sales have started coming up in the form of knowledge, in the form of development, product development, and that has really helped us in upscaling myself. The handhold support which I got from Chadha, I didn't get anywhere else. I got connected with so many other dairy consultant also, but I can say nothing like Chadha Sales. They are the best. The knowledge which I have today is just because of the Dairy Explorer program. Otherwise, it was not possible for me to come up so long with the development of the products and various milk products. So I must say Dairy Explorer program has really helped me a lot. I must say, sir says that Dairy Explorer program is the 4 pillars of your business, dairy business, and I must really say this, that it is actually 4 pillars. Otherwise, if one of the pillars is missing, you won't be able to stand up at all. So all the aspects of this program are really wonderful and really helpful and knowledgeable. Scientific farming, I have more inclined towards scientific farming after joining this program, and things have really improved over a period of time because of the mentor, because of the doubt solving programs and all which Chadha Sales helps on a regular basis. So it has really helped in development of farm, and it is like in developing a good breed in the farm also. This program came up when I was really wondering how to make a good quality products, and this program, it has really come up at that point of time wherein I was really looking for something which could help me getting control of my products quality. If I have undergone a training, the things are there in my mind how to take charge of good quality products. So it will really help me being a part of this community. I have learned a lot, and I would really love to give reference, as I have started giving it also to so many of them, and that if somebody is in like really need of this program, I do suggest them about it. And in fact, as if our community will grow, then each one of us will definitely will be benefited from out of it. So I would really like to do that. About 2 years back, मैं सर को बोला, सर मैं प्लांट चालू करना चाहता हूँ. I want to produce dairy products. तो सर ने मेरे को एक ही चीज बताया, मोहित, यू आर नॉट एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, आपकी वॉल्यूम भी इतनी बड़ी नहीं है, इट इज टू अर्ली टू टेक सच डिसीजंस, एंड लेटर ऑन विल सी इफ सेल्स इज इंक्रीजिंग इन इयर्स पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. डेफिनेटली आप इस चीज के साथ जा सकते हो. एंड आई कुड प्रूव माई सेल्फ इन दैट 1 year कि सर मैं कुछ सेल को डबल किया. And after that, I was really keen कि सर अपने को कुछ करना है. तो sir has given me suggestion that still take your time, and I must say, otherwise it wasn't possible for me to grab this opportunity. I must say all the best for your new journey, and you have chosen the best.